In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project in Milanote. Milanote is a visual workspace for planning and organizing, and your project starts with a fresh board. Open Milanote in your browser, select New Board, and give it a clear, descriptive name like Client Project or YouTube Campaign. Think of this board as your project hub where ideas, files, and tasks come together. Begin by giving the board structure. Create sections for goals or objectives, ideas or brainstorming, tasks or to-do, timeline or deadlines, files and resources, and a completed area. Defining these spaces up front makes it obvious where everything belongs and helps you move smoothly from concept to delivery. Next, add project details so context is never lost. Use notes to capture a concise project overview, the scope of work, and key deliverables you're aiming to produce. Keep these notes short and clear, and place them near the top so anyone who opens the board can instantly understand what success looks like. Bring in your assets. Upload documents, images, and videos, and paste any relevant links, such as shared folders or reference pages. Keep related materials close to the sections they support. For example, style guides in files and resources and creative references beside ideas to save time when you're deep in the work. Now create task cards. For each piece of work, add a to-do list and break big responsibilities into smaller, actionable steps. This makes progress visible and easier to manage. Typical creative tasks might include script writing, graphic design, and video editing, each with its own checklist so nothing slips through the cracks. Set your timeline to stay on track. Add due dates inside notes or task cards and organize tasks by priority. A simple method is to sort the timeline or deadlines column with the most urgent items at the top. Keeping dates visible reduces surprises and helps you plan your week at a glance. As work begins, manage flow by moving tasks through stages to do, in progress, review, and done. This Kanban-style approach provides an instant snapshot of status and helps you focus by limiting how many items sit in progress at once. If your project is visual, add mood boards, references, and inspiration images. This optional layer aligns style and tone early, making creative decisions faster and clearer later. When it's time to collaborate, use Share to invite clients and team members. Centralizing feedback and updates on the board keeps conversations tied to the work and reduces back and forth. Finally, review and update regularly. Move completed tasks to the finish section, add notes for improvements, and keep dates current. A quick, consistent check